Take a ride in the 2022 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, remote start, hill descent control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.